Hello and welcome to Watch and Apply YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to use SUMIF and SUMIFs for beginners. Let's go. Hello and welcome to Watch and Apply YouTube channel. Today I will show you step by step how to use the Excel function SUMIF, SUMIFs. Simply the function SUM will help you calculate the total values for a specific cells or calculate the values in a specific cells under one condition or more than one condition. For example, we can calculate the total values for product A only, or we can calculate the total products for the total inventory for product A, which has the blue color only. So let me show you practical examples. I will use SUM function. If I would like to calculate total inventory I will press here to calculate the total in this cell, then press F(x), then I will search or type SUM, press OK, then I will choose or highlight the cells that I would like to calculate, then I press OK. So total value will be 300. The second function will be SUMIFs. If I would like to calculate total product A, I will press here to calculate the values in this cell, press F(x), search for SUMIF, or you can type it, press OK. Range will be the description column, which contains the criteria that I would like to calculate its inventory. The second line will be criteria, and I will choose the product that I want to calculate its inventory. The second line will be the sum range, and I will highlight all the inventory column and press OK. So I have 120 product A, these cells. So if I choose the inventory for product A, I will find that they are 120 as SUMIF showed me. The third function will be SUMIFs, and I will use it to calculate total inventory A, but with the blue color only. Press here, press F(x), I will type SUMIFs and press OK. Sum range will be the inventory column. Criteria range 1 is your first condition. So first I will highlight the column, the description column, and I will choose what is the criteria I am looking for. So I am looking for product A. Criteria range 2 will be your second condition. So I will highlight the color column, and I will choose the blue color and press OK. So I have 55 from product A with blue color. So I will highlight here and here. Yes, they are 55. I hope my video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Excel video.